Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uninstall or remove Windows PowerShell from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows Features. Open it up. Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it. Locate Windows PowerShell guys. Scroll down. Windows PowerShell 2.0. If you want to uninstall or remove the Windows PowerShell, just do here, uncheck the box and click OK. Wait for it guys. Now close out of here and just need to restart your PC guys. Now we are removed the Windows PowerShell guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.